Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to unbox Fc-124 RGB case fan for PC build. This is the most popular case fan which is branded by Fantech, and as we know that Fantech is the name of RGB lightning effect. So let's see what is the specification of the RGB case fan. As you can read the specification, size is about 120 by 120 by 25 mm and 11 pieces of transparent blade, 3 plus 4 pin plus power connector, and speed is about 1200 rpm. Cable length is just 40 cm. Noise is 19.5 dBA, which is very silent. You cannot hear the noise of this case fan. And weight is just 100 gram. Input voltage is just 12 volt DC. Just connect to your power supply and you are ready to go. And as you can see, and don't worry about the connector. It means you doesn't need any kinds of connector. Just plug it to your power supply and you are ready to go. Don't worry about this. When you buy this case fan, then you can easily connect to your power supply. Don't worry, it means don't worry about this case fan doesn't need any kind of controller also. So let's test it, how it perform and how it looks. Let's see. So as you can see the cool lighting effects of this RGB case fan, and which is very awesome and cool. If you liked my videos, then please do like, share and subscribe. Also press the bell icon for getting upcoming videos. Do comments, follow us on Facebook and Instagram for upcoming videos, and have a nice day.